Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So as requested today, we're going to be taking a look at some hairstyles with bangs. So if you've been thinking about getting some bangs, or if you're just looking for some cute, fun ways to style them, here you go. So we got someone who did like a cute little messy updo style here. Super cute. I love how polished that looked, even though it was supposed to be messy. And then we have a twisted half up, half down style. She's got the ribbons going here. And ribbons are very popular when it comes to hairstyles. I think I might do a whole like coquette aesthetic video for you guys. You can kind of see the different ways that you can wear the coquette trend. Here we have a braided hairstyle, once again going in with the ribbon. Very cute and girly. Next up, we got someone who has this really pretty red hair color. I am obsessed with her hair. The color of it is just so beautiful. She's got this really cute half up, half down clip with the pearls. And then we got another variation with the black ribbons, once again with that coquette trend. And then here we just have someone doing a blowout with their bangs. Looks like she has some layers here. Also does a cute little half up, half down style with some braids. And then we just have another variation. Now for her bangs, she has more of that, I want to say the Bridget Bardot kind of vibe. Oh, I love her hair color. So she's got like red and silver here. Very cute. I like her makeup as well. She's got the red eyebrows to match the hair. And then once again, we have another layered hairstyle with the bangs. So this is definitely more of that blunt bang cut with the curtain bangs on the side, moving into more of the layered aesthetic. And this is just a very cute, volumized hairstyle. And then once again, we got the curtain bangs, the Bridget Bardot cuts. And the blue is a very popular hair color for 2025. Looks like she has a slight hint of blue going here. Either that's blue or it's the lighting. It's really kind of hard to tell, to be honest. Oh, I love the bangs. It looks like it might be the lighting. Gorgeous. I feel like this is like the messy chic look that we're all going for right now. All right, so next up we have someone getting some curtain bangs put in. She's getting the volumized blowout here. Oh my goodness, look at all those gorgeous layers. Wow, so beautiful. Hair just looks so thick and full. Oh, I love it. And she has just a hint of blonde with the baby lights. Alright, so here is another hairstyle idea with bangs. Her hair color is like a really pretty strawberry blonde, gingery coloring. She's creating a nice wave effect with the flat iron, doing like the flip under motion. Now these are bang hair tips from a stylist, so make sure you take notes. She knows how to keep the bangs looking fresh. 5 hairstyles to wear with bangs. High space buns, high ponytail, low space buns, straight back ponytail, loose side braids. And then we have another updo with the bang hairstyle. This is definitely going to be the summer of the messy bun that doesn't even really look messy. Like, I remember the messy buns back from the 90s. They were like super messy. Now they're like messy chic. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.